Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive for Thursday, February 13th, 2025, covering market moves in tech, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. Tech sectors showed strong momentum today. The Nasdaq 100 gained 311.45 points to 22,030.72. While the Nasdaq Composite rose 295.69 to 19,945.75. The technology sector advanced 69.87 to 4,653.10, maintaining very strong positive trends across the board. Market breadth was notably positive. The Nasdaq 100 showed impressive strength with 76% of components advancing. The technology sector saw 415 advances versus 271 declines, while healthcare diverged with more declines than advances, despite a positive close. Looking at returns, the technology sector leads with a 4% month-to-date gain. The Nasdaq 100 has posted strong week-to-date returns of 2.5%, while communication services shows a slight monthly decline despite today's positive close. Among top performers, AppLovin surged 24% to 471.67, hitting a new all-time high. GE Healthcare Technologies jumped 8.8% to 93.48, while Intel continued its upward momentum, rising 7.3% to 24.13, marking its fourth consecutive positive close. Looking at returns, AppLovin leads with a 25.5% weekly gain and 27.6% month-to-date return. Intel shows similar strength, up 26.3% for the week, while GE Healthcare Technologies has gained nearly 20% year-to-date. Among decliners, Trade Desk plunged 32.9% to 81.92, while Datadog dropped 8.2% to 135.89, amid strong downward volatility. Marvell Technology extended its losing streak to 3 days, falling 1.92 to 103.50. Trade Desk's decline has led to a 30% loss both week-to-date and month-to-date. Datadog shows milder losses of 4.7% for the month, while Global Foundries maintains a positive weekly return despite today's decline. Technology ETFs showed broad strength today. The Invesco QQQ Trust advanced 7.56 to 535.86, maintaining a very strong upward trend. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ gained 3.59 to 88.79, showing notable momentum with a 4.2% increase. Meanwhile, the ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ hit a new all-time low, dropping 1.19 to 26.87. The returns analysis shows impressive week-to-date performance across these ETFs. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ leads with a 7.3% gain, while its inverse counterpart, SQQQ, is down 7.1%. Year-to-date, the leveraged TQQQ shows the strongest return at 12.2%, with consistent daily gains averaging 0.46%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Apple gained 4.66 to 241.53, up 1.9%, showing a very strong positive trend with 4 consecutive higher closes. Meta Platforms advanced 3.18 to 728.56, marking its 19th straight higher close and 16th consecutive all-time high. Meta Platforms leads the group with a 24.4% year-to-date return and nearly 6% month-to-date gain. Amazon has turned positive for the year with a 5% gain, while Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet are all showing negative year-to-date returns. Atomera surged 1.33 to 6.65, up 25%, despite showing very strong downward volatility. Scantech AI Systems climbed 0.25 to 1.68, gaining 17.4%. Wolfspeed rose 0.75 to 5.89, up 14.5%, while Peraso added 0.10 to 0.91, gaining 13.3%. Looking at returns, Atomera has declined 26% this week and 42% year-to-date. Scantech AI shows a 15.9% weekly gain, but remains down 82% for the year. Wolfspeed has gained 10.5% this week, while trimming its year-to-date loss to 11.6%. Shopify advanced 7.16 to 127.65, up 5.9%, hitting a new one-year high. CrowdStrike gained 19.14 to 453.77, marking its seventh straight all-time high. HubSpot jumped 34.21 to 819.71, up 4.3%, breaking out after 4 flat days with strong upward volatility. CrowdStrike leads the cloud computing group with a 32.6% year-to-date return and 14% month-to-date gain. Snowflake follows with a 24.8% year-to-date advance. HubSpot and Shopify have both gained over 17% this year, while Synopsys is up 8.8%. Vicarious Surgical surged 2.46 to 14.38, up 20.6%, showing a very strong positive trend. Mobileye Global gained 0.72 to 17.44, breaking upward after 3 flat days. ASML Holding rose 20.82 to 776.99, marking its 4th consecutive higher close. ASML Holding leads with a 12.1% year-to-date gain, while Vicarious Surgical has gained 9.3%. Hyundai Motor shows a 9% year-to-date advance. Despite today's gains, Mobileye Global remains down 12.4% for the year. Thematic ETFs in AI and robotics showed strong performance today. The Pacer U.S. Cash Cows Growth ETF led gains, rising 0.86 to 48.95, up 1.8% with a very strong positive trend. The AI and Technology ETF achieved a new all-time high close while showing upward volatility. Returns analysis shows AI and Technology ETF leading year-to-date performance with a 9.1% gain. The AI and Innovation Fund has shown similar strength with a 9.3% return this year. Week-to-date, Robotics ETF leads with nearly 3% gains. Electric vehicle stocks surged today, led by Faraday Future Intelligent Electric, jumping 21.2% to 1.77. Lucid showed strong momentum, gaining 13.5% to 3.26, with very strong upward volatility. Tesla advanced 19.43 to 355.94, up 5.7%. Return analysis reveals Faraday Future's impressive week-to-date gain of 35%, averaging over 8% daily returns. Lucid has maintained strength with an 18% month-to-date advance. Tesla shows some weakness with negative returns across all timeframes measured. Quantum computing stocks showed notable gains, with Archer Materials rising 11% to 0.23. D-Wave Quantum advanced 7.6% to 6.50, with a very strong positive trend. TE Connectivity gained 6.73 to 153.22, exhibiting strong upward momentum. Performance metrics highlight Applied Materials' solid year-to-date gain of 13.3%. However, Rigetti Computing and Archer Materials show year-to-date declines of 19.7% and 36.8% respectively. D-Wave Quantum leads week-to-date returns at 11.9%. Solar stocks rebounded strongly today. Sioux Nation Energy surged 19.4% to 1.41. Turbo Energy jumped 14.6% to 2.50, with a very strong positive trend. Solar Edge Technologies gained 11.7% to 14.85, showing upward volatility. Return analysis shows mixed performance across solar stocks. While Turbo Energy leads with 15.7% year-to-date gains, Sunation Energy and Maxion Solar have declined significantly, down 46% and 26% respectively this year. Technology thematic ETFs showed impressive gains today. ARK Fintech Innovation ETF led the group, rising 1.53 to 43.91, marking a new one-year high. ARK Innovation ETF followed with a 2.10 gain to 64.78. The Global X Cybersecurity ETF and First Trust Nasdaq Cybersecurity ETF both reached new all-time highs. Looking at returns, Global X Data Center, REITs, and Digital Infrastructure ETF stands out with an 8.7% gain across all timeframes. ARK Fintech Innovation shows strong momentum with an 18.5% year-to-date return, while ARK Innovation follows with a 14.1% gain for the same period.
Thanks for watching. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host Sally Short. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.